this out. Yeah. Real street nigga life. A bitch thought he was gonna fuck over me. When I came in the street, you know I came with 223 with me. Niggas need to stay on their feet. If he try to step on my feet, I'ma grab that 9 and knock that nigga off his fucking feet. Don't play with a real G. You know you ain't from the street. Every nigga know me, cause know I'm fucking so street. Any stake I go to, I'm gonna put down my fucking respect. Nigga try to take my neck, I'ma straight fucking smash that neck. Nigga, I'ma take a check. Bitch ass nigga, don't stay in my lane. If you stay in my lane, I swear I'ma bust your fucking brain. I'ma drop that dope off to a nigga, he gon' keep up a half a zone. Nigga don't play, it's going down every day around my way. Nigga putting bitch ass niggas on the cheek. Nigga that's wanna be just like me. Nigga, I'm so savage, I'm in these streets. These pussy ass nigga better stop hating me. Nigga, I'm the street nigga. Y'all pussy ass niggas, y'all some weak niggas. I step on your block and I cock my Glock and I'm ready straight sweep a nigga. You pussy ass niggas that think it's a game, I swear to God I will bust your brain. Try not to make that change, y'all pussy ass niggas, y'all been so lame. Nigga, I'm in that dope gang, y'all the niggas really know it. I'm coming back and blow that dough, then every nigga know it. I smoke that weed back to back, cause niggas can't act like that. Nigga, I got them bands up, I'm selling crack and running it up. Niggas better stay the fuck out my fucking way. If he don't, you know I'm gonna hit him straight up in his face with that SK. Let that bitch ass nigga know I don't play. Anyway, I jump in that Cadillac and smoke that yay. I'ma have it too. I'ma do that shit today. When that pussy nigga face erase, that's what I'm play. Yeah, I'ma do my fucking thing, cause you know I'm in that game. When that bitch want my change, I'ma take 'em out that game. But my name ring them bells.